Hello, I hope you're all good. It's the Green Club Shed here today, and today I'm going to make a fashion studio or a clothes storage dash walk-in, you could say. And I start off with a cardboard box, 39 centimetres width, 15 inches depth of it, 12 inches, 30 centimetres, and then I always cut the side off and then I use it for there. So that's 30 centimetres by 12 inches, that is. So there's that. And then what I usually do is I coat it all with white or black or any colour you like, and I've chosen blue as a blank canvas. And then I've got this pattern that I'm going to be doing, and it's 20 centimetres I started off, then 15, then 10, then 7, and got it smaller and smaller. And then my flooring, which is the bit of card that I saved, I tried to print up some paperwork, but it came out a little bit pink because the ink started to run out, but it looks okay because it's Barbie, so it works. So that can go right there. And then right now I've made this Barbie like I just showed you, and then with the remainder I had Barbie left from a Puma fashion pack. So let's glue this on this wall. Make sure there's no bubbles. It is cardboard, so you're going to always expect a few little bubbles. And then on this side, let's glue that a little bit in. On this side, we're going to have that go in there, so that doesn't matter about that. And then on this side, got it white there, and then I have these little pieces of mirror card, and I've mounted them, put black behind them. So I'm just going to right over this side. So one, might need a lot of glue on these because these are really hard to stick sometimes. This mirror paper, that's why I mounted it on black. There we go, so they've got their mirrors. And then for the door I have some black card which I cut 4 pieces of paper. I made it 11.5 inches so that it just fits in, as you can see on the side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this piece on. There we go. And then I'm going to shade it just around the edges. I like to shade it all in just to give it a little 3D effect. And then I smudge it a little bit with my finger, and then at the top I always go in a little bit more, like that. And if you go all the way around the edge, I'm trying to be quick, but if we shade it a little bit, so, and there's my door. And then I need to make a handle, so I have these Dimentis. You can get these for about £1. So I'm going to use the letter C, I think, and make a door handle. Oops. There we go, it's not perfect, but there we go. Let's glue that. Oops, it's been too rushful. So you can see that it's got a little bit of a door, and then we've got that. Then we can put this in. Oh yeah, and before I start, if you wanted to do bricks on the side, I'm going to do a web page pretty soon, and I'm going to have this. I'm going to have the flooring that you can print off, or you could always draw them yourself, or have a go at drawing. And then what I like to do is I like to draw them first on paper and then stick them on. So I could always put that on later, but I'm choosing not to for the moment. So we've got all that done, and then this was done from a previous craft video. So you've got one, then you have the hanging rope, the hanging rails. So I go one there, and we'll go one there. Oh, actually, let's put that over there. And then we have the cube holder, or shoe storage. And then over here, I have some Barbie clothes already all lined up, ready to go. So I'll hang all them on there, if I can get them all on. That's it. Let's put Barbie in. Let's hang a few more clothes on here. Start getting it all loaded up. And then I also have these little stickers that I could also place. It needs a little bit more glue, that's it. And then it's just their right height for them. I think it looks quite cute. And then you can load it up with all their fashions. And I have some bags to go in. Loads of bits and pieces. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Bye.